Most people think raising 2,000 chicks is just farming, like a few months of feeding and boom, the money. But here's the truth that no one tells you. Most farmers lose everything before day 30. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn 2,000 chicks into millions in 2026 without wasting a single shilling. So stop losing money, start making money by watching this video to the end, because you are going to learn so much. Let me tell you why 9 out of 10 small-scale farmers fail. It is not lack of hard work. It is not even bad luck. It is just mistakes most of us never talk about. Mistakes that silently destroy your profits. Poor planning, feeding the wrong way, disease outbreaks, selling too early. These are simple errors that cost you thousands, even millions if not well unchecked. And most advice online, people tell you, of course they tell you half story, leaving you very frustrated and broke. There is a secret that changes everything. This is the part that most farmers never hear. Because raising 2,000 chicks isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. It is a strategy, a system. And once you understand it, every shilling you invest starts multiplying. So let us break it down. One is you need to choose the right breed and the right environment, because choosing chicks that grow fast and survive will save you a lot. Number 2, feeding formula. It's not about more feed. It's about the right feed at the right time, at the right stage. Number 3 is health management. Simple vaccination and hygiene strategies reduce losses drastically. And number 4, sales timing. This is about knowing exactly when to sell and to whom turns small profits into serious revenue. Miss one and you lose. Nail all and suddenly your 2,000 chicks are your golden ticket. Let me show you a step-by-step blueprint to make money. And we are going to put the numbers to this. If you start with 2,000 day-old chicks, mortality rate targeted is at 5%. That means 1,900 chicks will survive. The feed cost per chick is 250 Kenyan shillings to maturity. The total feed cost is 475,000 Kenya shillings. Selling price per mature chicken is 1,200. So the total revenue will be 2,280,000 Kenya shillings. So after subtracting costs for housing, medicine and labor, your profit can reach to over 1.5 million in just 5 months. And yes, this is realistic if you follow the exact strategy I'm just about to show you in the next part. There is a hidden advantage that most farmers ignore. The hidden advantage that separates regular farmers from millionaires. It is not about scale. It is timing and control. For example, 1, feeding time. Small adjustments in feed frequency can increase growth rate by 10 to 15%. Number 2 is sales channels. Look here, selling to restaurants, hotels or local businesses gives you premium prices. You can sell your chicken to 1,500 and also the timing, for example, during the December or during the festive seasons. And number 3 is the record keeping. I want you to track every chick, every cost, every sale that ensures nothing is wasted. Listen, the key is not just raising chicks. It's about controlling the entire ecosystem around them. Do this right and your farm becomes a money-making machine almost automatically. But I want you to avoid the following mistakes. The mistakes, the ones that destroy your 2,000 chick dream. 1 is overcrowding. Overcrowding kills growth and increases disease risk. Number 2 is cheap feed. False economy reduces growth by about 30%, imagine. Number 3 is ignoring climate control. Do you know that sudden temperature changes can kill hundreds overnight? And number 4 is impulsive selling. This means selling too early or too cheap because you want to make quick money. Avoid this and you survive. Nail the strategy and you thrive. Now here is the beauty. Once you master 2,000 chicks, scaling is easy. The system doesn't change, just the numbers that changes. I want you to maintain the same feed, hygiene, and the sales strategy. Scale gradually from 2,000 to 5,000 to 10,000 chicks and use the profits to expand housing or diversify breeds. Every small farm can become a cash-generating powerhouse, and the bigger your operation, the faster your revenue comes in. How will you scale up? Use automated feed water and reduce labor and mistakes. Invest in vaccines now. Prevent outbreaks before they happen. Start direct customer sales. Bypass middlemen and maximize your profits. Do these three and your farm will look like a professional operation. So, if you want to turn 2,000 chicks into millions in 2026, don't wait. Start planning, control every step, and follow this system. Your farm will become your most profitable asset yet. Like this video, subscribe for more Corobe Farm strategies, and hit the bell to get notified for the next episode in the Raising Chick series. Don't miss it. Your first million could start with a single chick. Until we meet next time, bye-bye.